What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we are finally starting to wide body the car. We have the Charge Speed Gtr Widebody kit. We're actually going to start with the front bumper first. Pretty much we're just going to take care of all the carbon that's underneath the car. I sold already the side skirts. I'm still trying to sell the front and the rear lip. So if any of you guys want to buy it, I'm literally going to cut you a deal. And for the wheels too, I really want to get rid of them because I don't need them anymore. So let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, Lance_GTC. But today, we're gonna take care of the lip, side skirt, and the rear lip. All that carbon is coming off. And then, if we don't run into problems, we're putting the front bumper on. So stay tuned. And of course, I wouldn't be doing this without Aaron. If I didn't have Aaron with me, there'd be no way in hell I'd be putting on a wide body.
I heard it hit somewhere over
Yeah,
here.
where did it go? So I busted this. And now we don't know where it went. All I heard it go, and that's it.
I have something still on here. I don't know what it is. What is that? Coffee bean in there? You got it? Hey, I haven't seen this in like months.
I know, right?
Dude, it's just like the transmission, man. I'm like getting good at stupid things.
I know.
For no good reason.
Front bumper is off. Got it right over here. New one's coming on. Next is the side skirts. We're getting good with deconstructing, guys. Front bumper's off. Side skirts are off.
Can I check out the front bumper?
You want to do it now?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, let's do it now then. Charge Speed Gtr wide body kit. First one in Hawaii, third in the US. Actually, I should say only one in Hawaii, third in the US. Front bumper about to be mounted on. We already have the front lip already attached to it. Just makes it that much easier.
Oh, she's gonna be a big girl.
Alright, let's get this.
Oh, fuck. I just figured it out.
What? You gotta cut the shroud.
It's these stupid things.
Alright, so we thought it was gonna be an easy fit, but actually having this right here, just the way the contour of the new bumper is, we have to get rid of this shroud over here, which takes a billion bolts. We have to get rid of the front crash bar in order to take out this shroud over here. That way we can expose the intercooler, and we should be able to fit everything after that. Clearance on the driver's side should be good. So we have to take out this shroud. We don't really need it anymore, and it's just a few bolts over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. 8 for the crash bar, 4 on one side, 4 on the other. And then hopefully we can put everything on. Because of the fact the way that the bumper is, we have to take out this shroud, and you guys are gonna see later on in the future, but we really don't need this anymore.
You see where the little like mushroom rivets are?
Yep.
So stick it between the shroud. Just stick it like right behind it.
Just jiggle it.
Pry and then pull this forward. To be honest, you might actually be able to just pull this, but the screwdriver does help. Easy. Easy.
That was easy. Round 2.
Oh, so much easier.
Yeah. What underneath? Just by looking at it, it's not even fully in. Bruh.
Try pull up. Here.
Okay, you're supporting underneath, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, pull.
Forward?
Yeah.
Oh, bro. No! You forgot. Bro, this is sick.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Oh my god. Once we get, oh dude, with that intercooler later on,
Is it gonna be so?
it's gonna look sick. Oh my gosh. We just gotta figure out this fitment over here. And then this little fitment. But this lines up pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
This lines up really good. Good idea. Does it line up nicely?
Whoa. Oh, stupid.
No!
I see it. Don't eat
Guys,
the sausage.
Learn from our mistake. Don't eat
fucking.
and put a wide body on a car at the same time. Dude!
Wow. That's pretty good.
It's not bad. You know, there's this extra lip right here. We gotta shave some of that.
Yeah, a little bit of shaving in the middle.
Yeah, just looking at this right now, I think I want to keep the super silver.
Like it screams that it's supposed to, like, every single body line on here is going to be accentuated by super silver. Like the super silver, every single angle, it's a slightly different color.
Yeah. Guys, this is so sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm telling you guys right now, I've never done a wide body before. This is my first time. I'm just blown right now, like blown away right now. Oh, Charge Speed Genki Soku wide body kit. We're standing out, guys. The more I look at this, just the bumper on, I feel like I should go with the super silver and just paint match. But then again, super silver is such a super hard paint to match, to where I swear it's like an 8-step process. Wherever I send this car to, if I get it painted, like it has to be spot on, like spot on. Or I just change the color. I don't know. Oh my god. You know what we should do? Put on the side skirts and then roll it out.
I'm fucking down. You damn right.
Okay, let's do it. So we're progressing a lot faster. So we decided that we're gonna put on the side skirts today too. Holy moly! So we got the other side on already. We are astonished on how easy it is. We didn't hard bolt it in, but just the way it fits. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing?
You have another push pin?
I think this one's all hashed out already. Oh! I'm done.
Dude, that's easier than my stock skirts on the Mustang.
I know, look at... You wanna back it out now?
Yes.
Yes. Guys, this is a trip. We're seeing double today. Flashback to 2018 right here. Side skirts are being sold. Saying goodbye. We already got the new side skirts on. Well, today turns out to be a lot more eventful than we thought. We sold the side skirts already. That was done. That was easy. We have the front bumper on, side skirts on, and we still have daylight out, so we're not gonna waste it, and we're gonna put on the rear lip and the rear diffuser. Well, actually it's one big piece, but we might do this faster than we thought. Oh, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is all hashed already. This is what you get when you ride low. She lives. Nice. This is like putting on Darth Vader's mask right
Dude,
here.
this is. It looks like fucking Darth Vader's mask. Holy shit.
We're gonna put zip ties again. Is this in the way? Is the diffuser?
I know,
in the
I'm
way?
just looking at that now. I don't think so, that wouldn't make sense. I mean, it's pushing pretty tight on the bottom, but it feels like it fits well.
Here, Chad, look at my side.
For the most part, it's doing okay, but we need to finesse it just a little bit. Try hold up that back plate again, just to get a sneak peek look of how much.
Oh, boy.
Dude, that would look so sick.
Oh, that's a big extension.
It's like 3 inches.
Dude.
It's like a whole finger length.
That is a solid 3 inches, man.
All right, we're officially crazy.
The rear lip, we have to do some minor adjustments as far as to get the fitment perfect. I don't know why we're doing this today. We weren't planning on doing this today, but me and Aaron think the same. So we're actually gonna try and mock fit all the fender flares. And then we'll just see how it goes.
Yeah.
Well, she's on there, like almost a whole finger. This is only a mock-up.
This is gonna be a major concern too with this body line because it's 2 pieces. So we want that to be secured nicely so that this can line up correctly. I messed up and I kind of cracked a little portion over here. So I'm hoping that's gonna be able to be fixed. But yeah, we did good today. Full send, I'll commit. Just to get a quick look at how it's gonna be. But these fenders are so dang wide. Honestly, let me just sit down real quick.
Day 1, Project Gzilla's wide body, charge speed Gekisoku kit. We got a lot done. We got way more done than what we expected today. We were just planning on doing the front bumper and the side skirts. We were able to mock up the rear valence as well, attached with the diffuser fins. For the front bumper, it looks really, really good and it looks really aggressive. Just minor things that we have to line up. Same thing for the fender flares. We have to do it perfectly. Right now, the plan of action is to line up the front bumper first and the rear valence or the rear lip. Pretty much those things can stand alone. Once we get all of that dialed in, then we can move on to doing the front extensions and then we can do the back extensions. I honestly don't care how long this takes. I just care about the quality of work that we do, and I'm sure that, you know, if we take our time, we can get this done and we can get this done right. But yeah, day 1, Project Gzilla wide body. So make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this too with all your car friends or whoever you think is gonna be interested in this build. This is only day 1 of many days actually. I'm telling you guys, just subscribe. This is gonna be super sick, and I'm gonna walk you guys through this whole process. I do have a little bit of performance mods I do want to take care of, and it all just depends on the timing of things. I'm not gonna rush anything. If I can get it done while doing the wide body, then I will. But again, it's all in the air, and I'm just going with the flow. So see you guys in the next video, and always to remember, challenge your standards.